now.
Let's see what Chloe's doing. Let's see what Chloe's doing.
Where's your plug it up and we're going to try and send Kevin money again.
Are you outside?
I'm going to try and see if bank's working again so I can send Kevin money.
Yeah, that's why I'm on this phone. She's on that one.
Let's charge him as well.
No, you can maybe.
Where's charge for iPad?
Ah, boo, 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 boo. Boo, 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 boo.
Where's
Plug's
charge?
up there.
Plugged in.
No, it's not plugged in, I don't think. I think it's just up there.
Can you leave for it?
There's other one outside.
Fine.
I can move the lead. No. No.
Yeah?
No. Doesn't go in there. Sit where you found that other plug if you swap it round.
What?
The plug you were going to put at the table.
Oh right, I can use this lead then?
Yeah, you can use that lead. But I'm saying the plug doesn't belong on the table. Put the plug there. You swap the plugs round. What's up with you? What happened? Are you being silly? Oh, do you want to get cuddles? Come here then. Come here. Oh. Matt,
This one up tray.
are you hungry? Eat. Yeah, just put her in what's in the fridge. No, eat. So sorry.
Is it at the bottom?
I'm tired.
Oh, this one then.
Oh, yeah, you, whichever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Never mind, is it?
What are you looking at, Chloe? Wow, what are you looking at? What's she looking at?
Candle.
Don't look like it.
She is. Looking at candle. Don't touch that, it's
I
hot.
don't think she is.
She is. She's looking at candle.
No, she's not. Camera's over that way. She's looking like that way.
Candle.
Candle. Oh, I
Yeah.
thought you said camera.
No, candle.
Oh.
So, Are you tired?
You're not watching this, Chloe.
No, turn it off.
I've turned it off.
What's this? What is it? Where's your don't eat it at the table?
Oh, the best I'll eat it.
Don't eat it in the chair. Get your chair then.
Get your chair.
Get your chair.
Eat.
Get your chair.
Get your chair. No, get your chair.
Shows to eat it.
Where's your chair? Get your chair. Eat. Eat.
Do you want to sit on there to eat? Do you want to sit on here?
I want to move that then.
No, no.
I can rest on off the table. Oi!
We best sit on a pillow then.
Cheeky monkey. Start sitting at table now, don't you, poor bum?
Yeah, don't touch. Oh dear.
What are you doing? Too on. Too on.
I'll have to wait a bit for him. Where's her for?
Are you getting your chair? No? What are you getting? Your house? Oh, right, you little cutie. Hey,
That's way hard.
put it on there. Open it up. Oh. You only got 2 in there. Where's the rest of it?
Wait for this to cool down a bit. Wait for that to cool down. Just let me send that to Kat first. No? Still the same?
Have you logged in?
Tried to.
No, why is it doing that then?
Oh, it wants my memorable information for some reason.
Strange.
Tried about 6-7 times.
I wonder why it's doing that. I wonder why
Strange.
it's doing that.
Well, I know the details.
I know, but you just said.
I know wonder why. I know what it said.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's not.
I didn't say, do you know your details are?
They do that when you want more information for safety, security. They do it now and again.
Mine
Well, mine doesn't.
don't. Well, then if yours doesn't, then how do
I
you
mean,
know
it does it once in every blue moon. What do you want? Little chair.
Chair.
That's very good. Here then. Where's your tray?
Girl.
We're still waiting for it to cool down.
Chloe.
So,
Everything.
yeah. Ready. It's still hot, sorry.
Hey, oh my little one. getting big one now, aren't you? Cheeky. 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 Give that little smile. Little smile. Yeah.
Hot.
Cheeky. Helen. Helen.
Get excited.
No. Oh, look at me. Come on. Go on.
The internet's not doing very good either, isn't it?
What?
Internet's not doing very good. It was doing brilliant earlier.
Yeah. Oh.
It's getting there.
Darling.
It cools down quick pasta, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah, can you do his bottle as well like that? Because I boiled kettle. You got some...
Yeah. Yeah, if the match will be a bit Ow! Not my hair! My glass outside.
What?
My glass outside.
I don't know. My breath. Yes, it will. If you want it outside, I'll be outside. Do, 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 do. A cheeky cheeky boo. A cheeky cheeky boo. Wait, can you just pick that up? It's a floor. Written thing. Look at the little smile. Are you ready? Are you ready? A cheeky cheeky cheeky. We all on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. We all on the bus go round, all around. Are you doing it, Chloe? Good girl. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish. Oh. What's next, Chloe? The horn on the bus goes. Good girl. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Go home on the bus. Go beep, beep, beep. All day long. Good girl. Clever. Yay. Yeah. What's next? What does babies do on the bus? No, babies. What do babies do on the bus? Babies go... Where? Yeah, good girl. Where? What?
I plug this in at the moment, so
Who's being plugged in?
it's on 51%. There's all that running off it. So it keeps going up.
What do you mean?
There's no other. These haven't got YouTube playing, computer is playing. And there's only that. It keeps.
Okay, Mealtime. Precious.
Do you want to drink of anything?
Water, I said about ages ago.
Any alcohol for the change or like that?
I'm getting tired.
Right, do you want it on that or here?
Just on that, please. On that. Careful.
Check this. Right, chef.
I'm getting really heavy right now. Here you go. Here you go. Cheeky. You say, Chloe? Oh, good girl. Cheeky.
Oh my word.
She clever, isn't she? Yes, little cutie.
This is not the
Is it
easiest.
yummy? You're getting tired. I think she's finished. Is it finished? What's up? Oh, she wants the sleeves pulling up. Do you want?
The sleeves pulling up. Right?
Look, I got pizza. You not got pizza. You should put some veg in.
Do you want me to do it now? It's a bit late, isn't it? I can put in some in. If they don't eat it, it's never got morning, can
Yeah.
Hey. What's up? What does she want exactly? Fix it.
You okay? You want to sit up a bit?
What do you want, Chloe? What does she want? Does she want trans wipe?
What's she saying? Has she finished?
Are we finished? Hey? You okay? You choked? Got some juice? Can't have much. Have you? Got some juice? Hey? Just one hand on. Oh, right, big one.
You finished?
I don't finish my mouth. Who's phoning me? Who's phoning? What is that?
Hello.
Can you see me?
Not yet. Can you see me?
Can you see me now?
Ah, yeah, I can see you now.
Be careful with
I
it.
can see
Don't
you.
fall over.
Yeah, chuff it out. George, Mick's stepdad died.
Yeah, you
Last
said.
week. And then, so he died. He had an infection in his blood.
My
And
God.
then Paul Lindley died. I thought, fucking hell, I can't believe this. Mick will go there.
I bet. My
His
God.
letter, Janet, his wife, Janet, and then she's got 2 kids, Scott and
Okay.
Oh, I don't know.
Sam, I think it is. It's a shame, innit? Awful.
Yeah.
Do you know, of all people, I would never have thought that Paul Lindley would have died now. Big lad.
Yeah.
Just shows you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Just an unplugged little guest egg. Knowing
Yeah.
me, it fucking lost. Don't know. Thingy, I've just been talking to Connor, you know, manager.
All right. Yeah.
I've just been talking to him. This is how I feel, this is how I just told him about
Yeah. My
Who's
God.
that?
Yeah, Callum.
It's not me.
Does that look too big?
No, it looks lovely. It's really nice, that.
Tail, look though, a bit. Can't get used to it. It's
Yeah.
like a big giant fucking... Is that too much?
No, but it looks lovely though, doesn't it? It looks really nice. It really goes really well. Looks lovely.
I like legs.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah. Yeah, they're really nice. Very posh.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can. Looks lovely.
I just don't like it.
They're not.
Look, I'm just
Let's see
gonna
what's called.
Yeah.
Tail. Still hanging it.
I bet you'll get used to it though. You'll soon get used to it.
I haven't.
'Cause it's
What you
different.
doing now?
Hungry.
Cut it. Give up.
You might have to cut some of it. Got pizza.
Oh, that was crazy. What stuff? I
Uh,
better eat some of that, wouldn't it?
Cooked it with
well,
my own
he'd
hands.
want to eat it, yeah. He's really good at eating.
That's
What do you
good,
want,
though,
Chloe?
isn't it?
It's happened for.
Yeah.
Hey. It's funny.
Oh. Anyway,
I love you.
You what, sorry?
Thank you. Oh, very nice. Should put it on here.
we can have some anyway, I can't.
No, not in car, but we've had a walk just on site today.
No.
Lee
Away from
made
the
some
candle.
paper airplanes and threw them outside. They were really good actually.
Did it?
Yeah. Chloe enjoyed it. She ran after him and
You
brought
have to
them
have
back.
pizza. It's too hot at the minute, I think. Is
Listen
it?
to him. He's getting the right bugger, innit?
Oh, that one was Callum laughing. I
Chloe.
mean Chloe laughing, sorry.
That's not me. Chloe,
Yeah.
she's still up.
Yeah.
Chloe,
And say hello.
what you got?
Are you wanting some pizza?
Yeah.
You say hello. Got pizza.
Got a lot of cheese on it for her, though.
Oh,
she'll
look
get
at
it.
eating that. That's nice. I want some pizza. Where's mine? I ain't got none.
You say hello.
I'm gonna cry.
Heidi. Boo.
Oh, I don't want to see. I don't want to see my waist stick in my mouth.
Yeah.
Show it.
Well, that looks nice, isn't it?
A new table and towels. Can you see them?
Yeah, good job.
House, yeah. Is there rain in the house? Did you hear Chloe then? House. Chloe, she goes, house. House. I said, yeah, is Lorraine in the house? I want to talk. She wants to talk. 1 minute, Kelly, I'm going to get you. House.
Have a look at cat.
Chloe.
Cat.
What does it say? Yeah. Good girl. Cat.
The cat. It's me. Baby.
You say, what does the cat say, Chloe? Yeah, good girl. Where? It's there. Are you gone? Callum. Is that all done?
Not going now.
Who's that? Making all that noise. Are you getting tired? Who's that, look? Who's that? Is it Lorraine? I'm getting tired, aren't you? Callum, what's with all the noises? Oh, goodness.
It's been like about past hour.
No. Here, your bottle's here. Yeah, I spoke to her over yesterday, I think it was, the day before. Well, you're not allowed, are you? Yeah. Oops. Yeah, I'll press on it.
Are them pieces of yours now when I be here?
Yeah.
You saying you, yeah?
1
Look.
minute, Lorraine. Can't hear you, mate, God. Here, Callum. Calm down. Put the lights on. Turn them off. So I can see them. There. He's happy now.
This is done, I done this Chloe.
So I can finish eating my pizza now. I haven't even finished eating it yet. I said so I can finish eating my pizza now. So I haven't even finished eating it.
It's really stringy, I nearly choked on it.
Oh, we started again. You said I don't want this bottle, I want the pizza.
Yeah.
Over there. And trees all over a garden, didn't I?
No.
Well, stop squealing.
Yeah, well, it needs picking up.
Why didn't know we're on the floor?
Well, why would I say Lee?
Well, I don't know, I've got to read your mind.
Oh, didn't you hear it?
No, I couldn't get out for squealing. Here, go on. No, sit up a bit. No, sit up a bit.
I know. They're fighting to go to sleep.
Shall I get them out of here or what? Because
Yes. That would be nice.
well, they were squealing when they were on me last time. Come on.
Turn this tap off.
I've never known anyone squeal so much in my whole life.
Chloe, what you got on?
Ready?
Hey.
Hey! Oh, is that you?
Yeah. Hat, yeah, clever.
What's she say?
Hat.
You're not going to come out. You'll be sick in it.
You
You're sick
clever.
in it like an adult. I'm good.
You're a bunny.
Yeah. Oh. We've just.
Do something.
What?
Take him over there. Do something.
I've just fetched him from over
Sit
there.
over there, you.
You'll sit over there with
So,
him.
I was sat over there, but I'm trying to eat my pizza, if you don't mind. Please. God, I can't even get to eat here.
Well.
Oh.
Wait, shut up now.
There we go. Hmm.
Oh, look at Chloe's glasses.
Where's they gone?
They're gone. Yay! Look at Chloe. A mummy. Look at them two fighting, Chloe. Them cats are fighting. Fighting though.
Aww.
Watch them. Fighting.
I've been naughty. Oh, she's blowing kisses. Why is it there?
Hey,
Oh, you're doing kisses.
you know, if I don't stop them fighting, they end up with really ripping each other to bits and there's hair all over.
Aww. Who are you doing, Chloe? Making kisses. Oh. Hey, blow kiss. You blow kiss. Blow kiss. Mwah.
Are you feeling left out?
Oh, good girl. Are they all your teeth? Wow. Look at
Where's
them
your
lovely
teeth?
white teeth. Show us your
Where's
teeth.
your teeth?
Like this.
Hey!
Alright, show your teeth. You look proud there. Do you like your hair and glasses?
Is he doing fish lips?
She's like,
She makes me laugh like she's turning her head.
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
To get best
And
angle.
it goes, yeah. And I like your teeth, good girl.
Don't. Oh no, Callum, don't be sick of me, please. Again, for the third time after I've had a shower.
Gonna be in lockdown till June, it says.
It'll be longer than that, Lorraine.
Did you
I
really?
reckon that.
Yeah.
It'll be over a year.
When do you think?
Before it all gets back to normal. If there's a vaccine, it'll be 2.5 years.
Yeah.
Because it'll be a year and a half for vaccine, if they can do one. And then
Yeah, let me eat, please, Chloe.
then another year to vaccinate everybody.
Yeah. Makes it same.
2.5 years. Anyone who's like expecting, they say they lifted lockdown it next 3 weeks. anyone who would go back to normal and go shopping in town centre, whatever, you know what I mean? Like there's no wrong. Just because the lockdown's lifted, then they're idiots, aren't they?
Then you'll get a second strike, won't we?
Well, they'll just.
Well, the only reason there's deaths are going down, in fact, they're actually not at the minute. The only reason they are flattening and not doubling every time is because nobody's out. As soon as the people come back out, then it's going to spread again.
Yeah.
Virus don't think, oh, we've killed enough people now, we'll pack in. Does it? So I don't know why everyone's like checking every 3 weeks thinking, oh, we should hurry up and let us out again, because it's ridiculous. You can't go anywhere properly until there's a vaccine, and then after you've had it.
That's what I've been saying.
It just
Yeah.
doesn't work.
Emily at work, she's going, oh, I hope lockdowns, I hope they let us out before August because I'm having my baby. I said, Emily, they won't. I says, it's not just going to go away. She went, oh, I think it's like flu, it'll go. I said, well,
And flu don't go, it's still about.
Flu hasn't gone. Flu's been here over 100 years, probably more, I don't know, but we're human race, and it's still here with us today and will be forever. Same as coronavirus, that'll be with us forever. Now it's, I think there's like 4 different coronaviruses. Well, this is the 5th. And this is the most deadliest at the moment. Unless it mutates and gets a lot weaker, we're going to be in trouble, aren't we? Because they haven't yet got a vaccine, a proper vaccine for any coronavirus. Even flu, it mutates every 2 minutes.
it's just going to get worse, isn't it?
Yeah. As soon as they lift the lockdown,
Get no better.
no, as soon as they lift the lockdown, the deaths will go back up. And it's not going to wear out like the Spanish flu, because
Nick said exactly the same as you. He says it'll be about 2.5 years, this.
it'll be 2.5. That's if they get a vaccine.
Yeah.
If they don't get a vaccine, if they don't get a vaccine, then you're just going to have to take your potluck, aren't you? Whether your genetics are going to kill you off or just make you suffer a little bit.
Lorraine, look at Lee.
I don't look no different, that's what I do look like.
I like your hat and
Hey,
glasses.
suits you that. What about little Bobby?
His head's too big for that hat. Told you it won't go on him.
Has it gone on him?
Yeah, it's gone on him, yeah. It's good, doesn't it?
Look at them fat chops.
Look at his face.
Who we're looking at?
Oh, he's smiling now, look.
Chloe,
Chloe.
don't you start. No wonder I get tinnitus.
Oh, look. You're a cat.
He's a little cat.
Say meow. Yeah, cat.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm going to say bunny.
He's a cat. Say meow. Chloe? Have you seen a leaf? Can you see him?
Yeah. We don't want to be a cat, do we?
Maybe you do.
No, it's not good, this coronavirus, is it?
No, it's life's changed for everybody. It's ruined a lot of lives, hasn't it? And
Go back to normal until they've got a vaccine.
it's
No.
Then it'll still, I don't know. Don't know
well,
what's
once they
in.
get a vaccine, that'll be the answer. But they're not going to get one, are they?
Don't say that.
They're not.
No,
Have they got a vaccine for common cold?
I don't
That's
think they will.
Yeah.
most
but
of common
that's
colds
different.
coronavirus, isn't it?
Yeah, but it is a
the
little
same.
different.
Not really. No, I don't think it is.
Well, don't say that.
Abby don't want to wear that, do you, Abby?
No.
There will not be a vaccine for this.
Lee, shut up cursing it. Give up.
I don't think whatever I say affects the
Yeah, but it
world.
does now. Give
Oh,
up.
you
Stop
see?
saying stuff like
You see?
that.
There'll be a vaccine next week. I think vaccine's coming on
Lee, shut up.
Thursday.
No, give up because now you're just messing.
Lorraine, vaccine will be for Thursday. Vaccine will be
Lee,
for
he's
Thursday.
just winding me
Yeah.
up and he's doing me head in.
Yeah. If you've got Amazon Prime, you'll get it a day
Because
earlier.
I always say that when Lee says something, or when you like say something, you think, oh yeah, and then you say it, I think it goes to how you say it.
She really is that weird.
No. No, because you're like...
She thinks whatever I say controls the world.
No, I just think that you can will something on. Like, you can like, if you really think it and believe it, you can, like, make it happen.
No,
Yeah, it can.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I can't.
Well, I come when you do say things like happen.
I know what I'm talking about.
No. Shut up.
I mean, he
Yeah.
said the same thing. It says, will not be right until they've got a vaccine. He said exactly the same as what it said.
Yeah, I said that, but I wouldn't say, oh, we're not going to get a vaccine. That just, I don't want to hear that. Yeah. We will get a vaccine, like, whenever we'll be able.
If we're into vaccine, life's going to be like this for a long time.
Shh.
I said if there isn't a vaccine,
Yeah, well,
it's
you
going
can
to be like
stop
this for
with
a
the
long.
if as well.
I'm not saying if either.
No.
Am I allowed to speak?
It depends what you're going to say.
Do you want a massage?
Yeah.
You didn't say to it then, did you? Yeah. We're not getting one.
Yeah. Oh, give me bottle. What you say, Lorraine? Hurry! Yeah. 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 Yeah, it is, yeah. You're like, well, you're losing them years with him as well, aren't you? Yeah, swap round.
It's great, isn't it, Lorraine? I think we'll have another couple. We don't swap round.
Yeah, get Chloe.
I don't need to, why? She's perfectly fine.
Oh,
Don't have
pass
to.
mummy phone.
We don't have to have one
Quick,
each.
get No, because I can't hold both of them.
You don't have to hold that one's got legs.
I do, because she wants it to. Hey. Did you ever say hello to you, Lorraine?
No.
Yeah, she grabbed her phone, put it to her ear and went, hello. Can you say hello? It's because she's got a filter on it. I'll put a different one on. 1 minute, Chloe. Shush, I'm going to do it for you. Fine. You're tired. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Chloe's got her phone now. Time to press it for you. Is it hello? Who is it? Are you talking?
Hello.
Are you talking to
I think I need
Lorraine?
another one.
What's all this early?
What?
Yeah.
What are you
Is it
doing,
pizza?
Chloe?
She spat out pizza. Yeah. Didn't she like it?
Clearly not. She didn't have a spaghetti bolognese either.
Are you not hungry, Chloe?
I bet she'd have some cake.
Are you saying hello to Lorraine? Hello. Can you hear her, Lorraine?
Where's the...
Good girl.
I can't see you now.
No, but I need to...
Can't see you. Get phone up. Oh, what you done? Oh, come here, pass mommy phone. Where you gone? Right, there we are.
What will he say?
I don't know what you were saying, Lee.
I forgot.
He's forgot, apparently.
About what?
About what?
Virus.
About virus.
Wait. It's going to be like this all the time.
Okay.
From now on.
Look at Callum. It suits him, doesn't it?
What's got hair?
Yeah.
Suited me
And
once.
glasses. Look at him, Lee. Wait a minute. Look at
like a fat Elvis.
He looks like a fat Elvis. Shut up. Is that you, Billy? Glee said it looks like a fat Elvis. Have you seen him now, Lee? Look at him. Look at Lee. Yeah, she is devil.
Yeah.
Aren't you? You little devil. Oh, monkey. Wait a minute then, I've got baby. Say baby. Shh, baby. Are you tired? Ugh, no.
Not with this racket.
I know.
I've been alcoholic.
Tell him, Chloe. Chloe. Right, Lee, you're going to have to get Chloe because she's trying to get on me and I can't hold them both at the same time.
Just a minute.
This is not easy. Because they're getting tired now. Right, come on.
Right, I'm
Sleep
getting
now.
sleep.
Did it fall?
I don't know. It's on her phone.
No, leave it alone.
Yeah, she's tired.
They're both tired. Right, get her.
Right. I was making bunk bed up.
We'll sort that out in a minute. And obviously I do all the time. You don't.
I'll show you how to do it then.
It's only because I showed you the other day.
Right. Well, I'll get you then. I'll send that off now.